Hello, friend. Once again, I am in front of you with a new topic. Every one of us, we want to be a famous. We want to be a famous personality. We want that world should recognize us with our face, with our words, with our work. And for this purpose, each of one, we are strive to get a place, some job, some status in our life so that our society, our family, our friend circle should know us, should recognize us, and we have a level of platform over there. So today we are going to discuss that how to create an identity. Yeah, it is very relevant, very prominent, and one of the most topic that how to create an identity. Because being a human from birth onwards, we used to fight to create identity. We used to fight for the sake to make our own identity in the society. So today this topic is very relevant and very important, and we are going to start how to create your identity in the circle in which you are moving, in the society in which you are living, and the place where you are working. So how to create an identity? First of all, to create an identity in between the masses, and if you are living in the India, then you know better that the population of India is more than 1 Arab. 1 Arab, 30 crore approx. So we have large mass of population. The 2 points of this fact is there. One point is that it is tough to create the identity. It is hard to create identity in between such a mass of population. And another fact is that it is easy to create identity in between our people because we have already so much audience, so much listener, so much viewers are there in India. So it depends upon you how you are taking the things. So first important point to create the identity is to identify the important thing in you, that what is special about you. What is had some extra attributes in you. For example, you are a good guitarist, you are a good painter, and I am not talking about the common thing. You are a good singer, you are a good writer, you are a good painter, or you are a good mathematician, you are a good orator, you are a good speaker. You have to find out in yourself that what is the special feature about you. The first important point is that you have to establish this fact. What is a speciality? What is special in you? Once you establish those facts, then tally with your friends, with your circle, with your society, and the person whom you are observing, that how far you are in that quality. Or you are up to the mark with that quality. For example, if I am musician, if I am guitarist, and while saying mass media, television, and observing friend also, I found that I have this feature unique compared to anyone, different compared to anyone. Then I will try to master over it. If I am a good speaker, then I will again observe the masses, that how other people are speaking. And if I found that I have some of the special traits and the quality in me, then I will try to develop this quality. So first of all, you have to identify in yourself what is special in you. Now, the second point is that you have to also found in yourself that what is unique in you. If any sort of the thing which I have mentioned it is common to other people, or you find it common with the masses, and you want that there should be some unique thing in me. And while watching the television, while watching, going through the masses, we used to observe the things in the people that is unique to them. You will nowhere observe those things in anybody else. So if there is some unique feature, unique trait in yourself, then that can be your point of identification in between the masses. So uniqueness is an power. It is not to same, it is not to ascend, or it is not to hide, it is to exhibit. And I have seen some of the people while coming on the stage, if they are blind, then they tries to establish their identity with their blindness. So this is the power for them. This is the unique feature for them. So it is not to shame, it is not to hide. It is to establish with them a strong emotion, a strong word, and a strong pulse. So this was the second step, that what is unique in you. Then the next point is that once you identify that what is a special, which is common with the other, but that is a special in you, you can perform in this field very well. Or what is unique, means you are not going to observe anything related to that thing to anybody, in any of your friend or any of your society or anywhere. So either you get some special feature in you, or some unique feature will be there. And believe me, the third point is that each and every individual, irrespective of caste, creed, territory, religion, socio-economic condition, nationality, each and every individual has something unique, something special in it. And it depends on the unique person, on the individual to manifest that, to identify that, to grow that, to carve that. So once you establish your feature, once you establish your uniqueness or special things, then you start performing with that. That is the next point, that God has provided each and every one of us some unique things. Try to find it out. And next important is that you continue with that. You start feeding those unique quality. You start serving those quality. You start practicing day by day without having any gap. And you try to find out some person, some trainer. Some trainer maybe can from the mass media, from any other internet or YouTube channel or some other channel. You find out in those fields who are better position, who are in better position. Try to learn from them. So again and again start doing the same thing. It means practicing. So those particular quality, those particular trait will start giving you result. Then you will start building confidence in it. You will start showing those quality in front of the society, in front of the outer people. So the next important point was practicing with those unique quality or that special quality. And the next important point related to this point is that find out the medium, the best medium to exhibit your quality, the best medium to establish your quality. Which would be the best medium? Either it is print media or electronic media or internet or radio or some other media, maybe on your college platform or a school platform, maybe it's your family function. So you have to find out which one is your best medium to establish, to exhibit your quality, to show the people that what the quality you are having. If you are a good poet, if you are a good writer, you can send it to the newspaper, you can send it to the magazine for publishing, and then after people will start recognizing you. If you are a good role player, then you can make your own video and you can post it to the Facebook, post it to the YouTube. So the next important stage is to find out the platform, find out the media where you will show your talent, or through which you will reach to the masses. That is very important. And the next important point is that after this point, that find out or master over technical aspect of that platform. For example, if you are interested to showcase your talent on the YouTube channel, then you have to learn how to upload, how to make video, how to edit video, or at least you have to know the traits or features related to this thing, technical expertise. So then after you have to learn some special feature or technical aspect of that medium. So that is very important. Learning over the medium, how that medium is able to communicate with the masses. What are the features? How to write it down on the media? How to promote your talent on through that medium? And the next important stage is that you continue with your performance. Continue means once you start writing or performing on any of the mass media platform, for example newspaper, for example radio, or on the YouTube channel, then don't stop at anywhere. At least continue with your performance day by day, day by day. You will start learning from the medium only. You will start learning while presenting only, while showing only. So learning is also by doing also. So continue with your performance day by day. You will start that you are growing your talent. You are learning the skills through which you are able to perform, through which you are now more better position compared to some days back or some year backs or some month backs. So that is important. And the next important stage that is very important is that have patience. Yeah, that is very important. Why for? Let me tell you that I know that you have too much talent, you are too much powerful, you are too much having qualities. But at once at a time, the people would not start recognizing you. It will take time. Little bit time it will take. It will take months, it will take years, but not too much time. But at least up to that time, you need to have patience. Patience. And in between that gap, your performance to your recognition, you have to continue with your performance without stopping, because you will start writing and you will think that, oh, nobody sees me, nobody calls me. Oh, you have written very good. You have very good role played in that video. No, it will not happen at very early stage. You have to wait for that. So patience is very much important. And after some time, after some months, after some years, and it depends upon your performance and some of the things which you have no any, you can say that the capacity, or which you have no any command on those things. So it also depends upon that permutation and combination of the life. So always continue with your performance, and you will see definitely that after some times people have start recognizing you, people has start knowing you, people start pinpointing you that, oh, this is the person, I have seen it and I have read it, I have visualized it in that platform or in that media or through this medium. Oh, and recognition will also comes to your family, comes to your society and the people and the society in which you are moving. And you will find that each and everyone are behaving differently in front of you. So that is the thing, that is the important thing. And through this strategy, you can able to establish the identity of yours in the society. So that was very important. I hope that you have understood. And if you want some more knowledge on this, then you can comment in the comment box and I will try to reply it. So with this, bye bye, take care. We will meet with some more important topic. Bye.